Carl Malao and Mr. Jesus Banyola and Ma'am Jeanette Sanuan. As for Miss Angel Gloriani, our reigning Miss STI 2024. Awarding the first runner-up is Ma'am Audrey Padilla and Mr. Mark Cruz alongside Ma'am Jonah Estuardo. STIers, are you ready to meet your new Miss STI 2025? Let us give them a big round of applause.
Good luck to your journey at the cluster level competition at STI College Alabang. Muli, ibalik ang corona at titulo sa Rosario.
Yes. Manifesting cluster and national domination.
Also, our first runner-up is none other than Miss STI candidate number 1, Ms. Gemma Fel Sacloro.
Let's give them a round of applause, everybody. Photo off.
Once again, please give a round of applause.
And congratulations.
Congratulations and good luck to your journey. Awarded this year's Mr. STI College Rosario first runner-up is none other than
Mr. Carl Balao, Miss Audrey Familia, and Mr. John Pulipulente alongside Ma'am Jeanette Sanuan.
Awarding our Mr. STI winner. Just to be clear.
And that means that the other name that will be called will
be the first runner-up.
Will be the first runner-up. Again, ang tatawagin ay ang champion, the winner that will represent us in the Cluster 3 competition in STI Alabang. Are you ready?
Mr. STI College Rosario 2025
is none other than first runner-up. Let us give him a round of applause. Awarding the first runner-up is Mr. Mark Cruz and Mr. Jesus Banyola. Congratulations to Twizzlers, a well-deserved win.
To remaining ladies, please proceed on the center stage.
Let's proceed to the center stage. Candidates, mag-photo up tayo. Again, congratulations to the newly crowned King and Queen.
Hello, candidate number 8. This is your question. When working in groups, how would you handle a situation where one member refuses to do their share of the work? I will repeat the question. When working in groups, how would you handle a situation where one member refuses to do their share of the work?
Good afternoon, STI Rosario. As we all know, when it comes into group work, one of the most important things is the teamwork. And me as a student, as a leader, and as a beauty queen, one of my core values is that I want to connect with people. So the first thing that I would do is I would connect to that someone. I would ask, what is the problem? I would understand, and I would help that person to cooperate in the team. Because I've always believed that with teamwork, it would make the dream work. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibini number 8.
Nice.
With teamwork.